Hey everyone, I'm Brianna, and I'm going to be explaining why science labs are even used to begin with. Science labs have been an essential piece of instruction in science since the late 19th century. In 1886, Harvard University sent out a list of physics experiments that they wanted their students to complete before attending the university. So science labs have been around since the 19th century, and they've been evolving ever since and becoming more frequent in classrooms. Some objectives of using science labs in a classroom are to practice skills, concepts, cognitive abilities, understanding of the nature of science, and their attitudes towards science. So with skills, it allows students to work with the product and understand what they're learning. So this can involve using manipulatives, investigation, organizational skills, and different communicative skills within science. It also allows students to test the concepts. They're allowed to hypothesize. I know many times in my science classes, I have hypothesized one thing and it comes out to be completely different. And I was able to learn that through doing labs and getting a better understanding of what I was working with. It also allows students to come up with critical thinking skills and problem solve to figure out why something is working and why something isn't. It also allows the understanding of the nature of science. It allows them to see how science truly works. And this also can combine science and technology together to create the science lab that's happening. And lastly, their attitudes. This allows students to become curious and take risks and explore their interest in science. There were many times in my science classes that I wasn't sure if I would even enjoy what was going on, but then I started doing the lab and I was able to see what was happening, and it made a lot more sense to me. So science labs in general have just been able to help students get a better understanding of what they're learning and be able to see and work with the things that they've learned and get a better understanding of it.